Hello friends, today we will talk about how to upgrade the IS of Cisco 3850. So we have the switch with us and I have the console terminal of this switch as you can see on my screen. So this is the switch like you can see in the image and it looks like 3850 Cisco. So there are ways like we can upgrade the IS of the switch via USB or via TFTP. So both ways we can do. So the first step is to copy the new image to the 3850 via USB or via TFTP. So let us go to the switch and we can see here like you is the we have the command like we can check in the directory dir flash. So flash is the directory where we have the IS image copied into the system. So also we can see here we have the USB drive inserted into it. So as you can see here USB drive have the IS and that needs to be copied into the flash. So we can see like we have the image available in our USB. So if you want to do it via TFTP, so you can do it via copy TFTP flash and then check the directory. So we will copy the IS. We have checked in the USB drive also. So in this case like we will do the IS upgrade via the USB stick. Okay, so copy from, so we will copy the IS, copy from USB flash and this is the IS that needs to be copied. So copy it and enter and then flash. Enter destination file name, it will ask. Now as you can see the copy is in progress, so it will take around a few seconds, like in a minute it will be copied. So as you can see on my screen like IS is copied and it will take around 1 minute to copy the IS. Now we will move further and will check in the flash directory that we have the IS there or not. Yeah, so we can see like there is the IS available that we copied. So now we will go further and install this IS image. So the command is to install that software, install file is in flash as you can see here, and now you can just copy that file and then you need to mention the switch. So the switch is here only, there is no switch in the stack. If we have the switch in the stack then we mention like 1 2 3 1 to 2 like that. So we have only one switch, so we will mention like on the switch. So friends, as you can see here we need to mention the switch number there to preparing for the installation. So now it is installing the operation and you can see on the screen we have mentioned the switch 1 here because only one switch we have here. So if you have other switches in the stack, so you can mention like 1 2 and 3 like that. So the installation is going on in progress. As you can see here package file are copied and expanding the bundle like that. This process will take few minutes. Verifying, copying, expanding package to the flash. So it is starting verifying the copied package into the flash and it is doing the compatibility checks also, and it is adding the flash package into the from the IS into the flash. So now the new IS is copied, and to commit the file it is asking for the reload. We are saying yes. So building the configuration. So now the reload is started, as you can see here. This reload will take a couple of minutes, so you can just wait. So the booting into the process, it is initializing the RAM and starting the hardware with the new image. Booting is in process. You can see these few steps that will come when you do this reboot. Once the booting process finish, you can check the software that is installed, show version, and pipe लगा के install, pipe include install. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care.